Welcome to ClubExpress. In this quick guide, we'll cover how to set up an event by configuring the basic information. Let's get started. The Basic Info section sets up your event structure. Start by going to the Events module, choosing Add, then choosing Event. This brings you to the Basic Info page where you'll add the core details of your event. Select Single Activity for a one-activity event or multiple activity if the event has multiple activities or items, like a conference or trade show. Enter your event title and a short description. Assign a category, which also controls the event color on the calendar. Choose visibility options, like visible to everyone or members only, to control who can view the event. Finally, set the event's start and finish times. Next, specify additional event details like the event's location, registration and fees, and contacts and reminder messages. Remember that you can go back and edit these choices at any time. Once all the basic information is set, you can mark this panel as complete and choose Save. And that's it. With your event's basic info added, you're ready to set up additional details for your event.